my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So welcome, welcome, all our trusted customers. Welcome. So
Sir, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Everybody can unmute themselves.
yeah. So please share your question and answers. Welcome to the weekly clients webinar. Yes, please. If you have any questions on the strategies, we'll be very happy to answer that.
So I have one,
Yes, please.
Stanley here. I have one question regarding the understanding of the app, basically.
Yes, please.
Yeah, see, because I am a little raw to the entire stock.
Okay.
So I see there something called as support and resistance levels, in the app against against a particular share. Hello.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah. So in that, below that there are support levels as written, and above that there are resistance levels. So I want to understand, if you are given a resistance level, suppose say the share price is 100 rupees, and there's a resistance level at 130, then 180, and 200 and beyond. So is that an indicator that the share will go at some point of time to those prices? Number one.
Okay.
And number two, like, even though it is not part of a strategy, like I have taken a buffet strategy, one, and there are many strong buys that you have other than the buffet strategy.
Right.
And in between, some of the shares have gone down to lower levels than, than the month 1 and month 0 that you have put there. So does it mean, is there a particular indicator where I should look at buying those things other than the P less than 15? Or is it that P less than 15 is only the indicator for me?
Have you attended my 5-day course?
No, I'm not yet.
Oh, that's why. Actually, see, these are some very good questions, Stanley. So I'll answer some of them. First is that you are a trader or an investor?
No, I'm an investor.
So for investors, resistance have no value. We can't just see now we have updated the new ones. We are updating the new version today where this will be clearly written. Upar karo to Vikash. So we'll be updating a new document today. It will get updated in the next 2 hours, in which it will show that this resistance level is not for investors. Number one.
Okay.
Okay. The support level is that if you have a strong buy, but it is overvalued.
Okay.
Now, overvalued is because the prices are very, very high. So we don't know where to buy the stock.
Right.
So one of the best things to buy is the previous month low.
So that is M1, is it?
That is M1, previous month low or 2-month low. So sometimes when those stocks are so good, strong buy, but the price are very high. So whenever it comes to that level, you should buy that stock.
Okay, only I'll tell you, I faced a dilemma in buying in the buffet strategy also.
Okay.
What happened, you all released that on July. I took it in August, basically. So what has happened, some of those stocks have gone beyond that pricing, which you had suggested, though. And there's no way it is coming back. In fact, every time I'm seeing it is at higher levels always.
Because those are fantastic stock. It has been tested.
Yeah.
Those stocks have been tested on a very strong, research study that those stocks will go up. That is why we charge for those strategies.
Right. So therefore, I had taken that buffet strategy. So now what I'm suggesting is, should I then look at M1 when it is continuously going up? Or is there a new thing that I need to look at and buy it?
See, the question today, that is why we have added the new QBS score. Have you seen the QBS score now?
No, sir. What is that?
Score, quality business score, which we have added.
Okay, no, I need to see it then.
Just see.
Is that 22? Is the same, no? 22
yes,
maximum.
Yes. So if you see, there are certain stocks.
Okay.
If it is 22, 2018, just buy it because those are fantastic stocks.
Okay. That's the other parameter.
Okay,
So this is, if I'm not mistaken, the same which is based on quarterly results on the 4 parameters.
not quarterly result. It is based on
No, the 4 parameters. 4 parameters.
four parameters. So it gives you the very strongest companies. Now, if
Okay.
you see, Abbott has a very high quality score. It is strong buy, but it is overvalued.
Okay.
So you should definitely then go to the support resistance. Whenever it goes to previous month low or 2 months low, you should buy Abbott,
Okay.
right? Because it is overvalued.
So resistance has no meaning for me. It's like that.
When to
Simple.
buy, actually, when to buy has a lot of strategies which we teach in the 5-day program, because it is slightly, it takes about 9-10 hours to understand when to buy.
Okay.
So when to buy, you are actually looking for when to buy. So
Yes.
the easiest way is, if you bought the strategy, just enter the strategy because it is tried and tested.
Now I have entered, sir. I have entered about 4 of the 15 strategies, irrespective of anything. Then some were red, 7 were red flag. So I stopped
Red
there.
flag will be removed in September. Red flag only happened because of COVID, which you have said many, many times.
Right.
It will get removed in September actually.
Okay.
Those stocks, if you see the QBA score of those stocks are very good if you see the 5-year.
Yes.
It's only the COVID which happened once a year. So we just wanted to warn every customer, slightly be careful.
Okay. So that was good enough.
Yeah.
Now I got it.
Okay.
Any hints on Vedanta, sir? Should I tender it or keep it?
Just see now Vedanta. What is the score? Vedanta, go to the score. Is it in the strategy?
No, it is not in the strategy. No,
Then-
I am only saying because they are buybacking at very low cost.
Then you see
Buyback.
the score. No, you just see the score. This is the fastest way.
Okay.
See the Vedanta score. I'll show you. It is 1 second. You will know what is the quality business. Score is 11. I will not even touch it. It's a horrible company. I will not even touch it. 11 out of 22.
Better dump it.
The score is so well that you should never touch these companies. It is showing sell also. So I will not touch it.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, okay. Next, anybody who wants to come? Next question.
Sir, Parag here.
Yes, Parag.
Yeah, I have bought this large cap 50, but only 3 stocks are there. So, can we expect around 7-8 stocks so that diversification is there?
There are only 50 stocks. Out of 50, how much can I select? Because the entire basket is 50. So I'm giving you the top 3 stocks out of 50 already. Okay. So that is why you can take the large cap 100 because that has 7-8 stocks.
Okay. Fine.
So that is the challenge of a large cap 50 because I can only give you 5 stocks out of 50 stocks.
Because in the last, yeah, but earlier there were, I think, some 10-12 stocks in last 5 years. So I was thinking, what has happened? Only 3 stocks.
No, history dikhao Vikas. Just show me the history of the strategy. स्टॉक लिस्ट दिखाना हर क्वार्टर में कितना स्टॉक्स है टोटल एवरेज कितना निकलेगा So 7-8 stocks have always been there. It is the recent COVID has reduced the stocks actually.
Okay.
It's actually only because of COVID. The 7-8 stocks are usually there, but because of COVID, so probably maybe September it might rise actually.
Okay. Or is it possible to switch from 50 to 100?
Yes,
The
you can.
strategy?
If you want to. You just have to pay for the 100, then you can do it. No problem.
Because I already paid for 50. I think 100 is the same, right?
No, it is not the same. There is 100 is more expensive.
Acha.
Check
Okay.
with Prateek. You know.
Yeah.
You can check with Prateek.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay. You check with Prateek and you tell him that I want to shift to 100. What is the extra? Then he will shift to you.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Next question. Somebody is asking on the chat. I have a question from Vivek J. Vivek J, can you? Then I have another question from Sattu Bhai Bajaj. Then I have a question from Sarbari. If a stock gets downgraded and buy a new stock which makes the list. What is the question, Sabri? I didn't get it. Can you come online? I did not get your question, Sabri.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm Sabri. So what I asked is that now during the current new quarter beginning, now all the results will be coming and I'm sure you'll be updating data one by one. Some of the stocks in the strong buy may not make it. But if we have invested already in those stocks, can we drop off?
Strategy or you're in a yearly strategy?
I'm in a yearly strategy.
Then you don't have to change. Yearly strategy stocks will not change.
Okay, thank you.
Yearly strategy will not change. Quarterly strategy is only stocks changes.
Okay.
Sattu
Okay.
Bajaj. In Nifty, what is the net position and expiry change? Sattu Bhai Bajaj, what is your question? Are you a Nifty client? Have you bought the Nifty strategy? Mr. Sattu Bhai Bajaj. Please unmute yourself, Sattu Bhai Bajaj. No answer. So if you see it in Nifty was buy, if you see every day Nifty is buy, we show in this chart. Nifty is buy. Okay, and you see Nifty is buy. Okay, Mr. Sattu Bhai Bajaj. Then why stocks go up when score is below 15? Mr. Vivek J, what is your question? I did not get your question. Can you come online, please?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, actually, I have taken your 3 strategies last week only.
Okay.
And I have even taken the Divis Lab future lot as per the strategy suggestion.
Okay.
Actually, what I was asking is that whenever I check the score on the app, it is normally, it is 11 to 15 in between. If say a particular share like Shelby or ONGC or any other stock, but so we don't have to buy those stocks. But at the same time, I see in the market that stocks are going up. So I don't understand.
Yeah, no, it is a market, na, it can be the stock goes up. See, one thing is, the main thing for the stock goes up is always ROE, sales growth and profit growth. That can sustain the growth. But when the stock goes up on news, what happens is it will come down also very fast. The stock goes up on news, but it will come down. But if you want to buy those stocks which though it goes up and does not fall very strongly, is the stock which will have sales growth, profit growth and ROE.
Correct. So what my
There are
question
certain
is
companies, maybe they are declaring some news. So market people, they react on a lot of news, right? So that is why some stocks goes up temporarily. But we give you those stocks which has a history. So when the stocks are below, maybe it is going up. Market stocks can goes up because of news also. But we should not get into those stocks. And sometimes stocks also goes up because of manipulation. Some people are manipulating. So this is where we are only giving you good stocks, so you don't get trapped in a wrong stock. That is why we have this number.
okay. So how to use this particular tool is whenever it says that
strategy. So you don't need to use. You have already bought a strategy.
yeah.
Those stocks, if you see, most of the stocks which are given the strategy, 90% or 95% is above 15. Have you checked?
Yeah, correct.
Right. So those are already good stocks. So just invest in those stocks.
Okay.
Why we bought a strategy? Because those stocks are chosen particularly by us by proper research. So if you invest in those stocks, you know, you will see, you will get very good returns.
Okay, then what is the investment period? It is
You have bought a yearly strategy, you bought a quarterly strategy.
no yearly.
Yearly, so you just invest and wait for a year.
Oh, okay. It is that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, when we give you a stock, then you can validate it. Oh, he's giving this stock. What is the reason for the stock? What is the quality of the stock? What is the business of the stocks? You can know, okay, these are good stocks. These are all above 15. That means they are good companies. I can invest into it.
Okay, and what about the future strategy? What I have taken, there the stocks are listed.
It will come every month.
Yeah, correct. It will come every month. But once I buy the stock, then whenever it is I mean the target, how I can achieve the
You
target?
have to
Or
square off one day before the clearing. So Thursday is the clearing. You have to square off on Wednesday. New stock will be released on Friday. Again, you buy the new stock. So you have to do trading every month.
Oh, I see.
That is the future now. Future is for every month.
No, I know that. But in between, if you are suggesting some target,
We
that
don't suggest any target. We buy those stocks and we hold it for a month.
that's it.
Yeah, and we make a lot of money.
So like right now, I have taken one future lot of Divi's Lab as
Yeah.
per suggestion.
Right.
So what I have to do is I don't have to monitor it daily, or
No, you don't need to monitor it daily. But when you're doing small cap, please understand a small cap. Sorry, whenever you're doing a speculative strategy,
Mhm.
you need to know your stop loss yourself. We will not be telling you the stop loss
and the target.
and the target. Our exit date is one day. We'll square off on Wednesday, one day before the clearing. So if you have to manage the risk, if there is some news which comes, then you have to manage. But those stocks are very good. If you hold it, there is no problem.
So holding a future lot is difficult. Means, after 1 month, I have to square it off, right?
Then the new stocks will come, so you don't have to worry. On Friday,
No,
don't
sir,
have
that's
Thursday.
that's not the thing. Yesterday, the stock was giving me 40K profit, and
Right.
today it is giving me 30K profit. So I have not.
That you have to decide.
Okay. So target you will not give.
No,
Target
I will
and
not
stop
give you
loss.
target. I will only give you good stocks
Oh,
which
okay.
we have tested, which will go up.
Okay.
Okay,
Because
and we'll give you the square off date is Thursday. We don't give it. We only give very good stocks which we know we have tested it, which will go up.
because while buying the strategy, it has been explained to me that whenever it is in target is achieved, we will call you and we will tell you that you square off.
No, who told you that?
Yes.
That is for Nifty, not for stocks.
Future option, future stocks.
No, who told you this? Who
That is only for Nifty.
That is only for Nifty. For Nifty we give the entry and exit.
Okay. So for this, for future stocks,
Who told
that
you
is
this? Who told you this?
Debashish. No, maybe
Debashish, okay.
I was talking with him for Nifty also and future also
No, in
for the
Nifty we give
stocks.
you entry and exit. The stocks we don't give any entry and exit. We just buy
Okay.
and you square off once.
That I have to decide.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank
If
you.
there is any confusion, we can refund you the money. If Debashish made a mistake, you can close the strategy and we can refund you the money in case you don't want to.
Okay, fine. No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Abhishek, if Devashish is wrongly sold, we'll just see the recording and then we'll refund him the money also.
No problem.
Yeah. So don't worry about it, sir. If he's wrongly told you, but we give for Nifty entry and exit, but we don't give it for this. We don't do it for stocks.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are talking about derivative strategy.
Yes.
So in that, do you give only buy call or sell call also?
We only give buy. We don't give sell.
Sir, one more question. Vivek Joshi here.
Yes.
Right. Means now I have bought that particular strategy. Now how now in the strategy in the first day of the starting month, I will get the list of the stocks
Right.
and the cost also. I think cost is giving next day, not on the first day.
Yeah, you know that it is, if one is released, so you just invest in that stock that day.
No, that's fine. But how I will decide okay, how much profit and then I should get out?
That is what you need to decide. That is why we sell you have to decide that.
But those stocks also in future, every day it gets updated in the system.
Yes, every day. Yeah. No, new stocks doesn't come in. Only once the stock
no.
comes only once a month.
No, right. But when I search the stock, and if it says strong buy, every day I search because every day your system is get updated, right?
No. The strong buy changes only once in 3 months.
Once in 3 months.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
The strong buy only changes after quarterly results.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
We use different strategy. We are seeing not only the strong buy, we also check whether the stock has momentum, is doing well, what are the chances it will do well in future. Then we sell that strategy.
no, right, sir. But what I meant to say is, if somebody has taken the future lot, and then after 3 months, if it is the strategy is changing, but
Stocks will change every month. The future will change according to the strategy. I will do it. I whenever the new stocks will come, we check the results and then we submit the stocks every month.
okay. So that is before expiry or after expiry?
What after expiry? Sorry, sir?
The list of the revised stocks every month.
After expiry, na? The new expiry.
Okay. No, but why I'm asking this question is, if I have taken a Divi's lab now next month also it is in strong buy
Don't confuse
buy.
strong buy with future strategy. Strategy is very different. Strong buy is very different.
Okay, let me rephrase it again. In the list of the future, again in the next month list, there is a Divi's lab.
Okay, so you again buy. As it is, we have to square off because it is a monthly cycle.
Okay.
You have to square off and buy the new one. So there is no problem. You have to do it every month.
Okay.
You square off the previous month and new month, again buy the new month.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
If you want to do speculation, you have to change every month. Or you pick up the delivery and then you keep it. Then you don't have to square off.
Yeah, that's easy. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but please remember, I want to put on notice that short term is very, very risky. Have you ever done short term?
Short term means?
Short term means trading for 15-20 days.
15-20 days.
It's a 15-20 days transaction now.
Yeah, correct.
Have you ever done short term?
Yes.
So be very careful because sometimes because of news or because of anything, the market may go down also. So that 30-40 DVs can also become 40,000 minus.
Yeah.
Prepared for that.
That's true, sir. I have experienced that very badly in the month of March.
Yeah. So it is something like this.
Yeah.
Right. So if COVID will happen, no strategy will work.
Yes.
Right. So you just we have to be extra careful with that, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Vishal K, what are 22 points and how do you calculate it? The calculation is already given, Mr. Vishal. Can you come online? What is the question? Which stock you want to calculate? So the calculation is already given in the description.
Okay, sir. I will check out, sir.
Tell me one stock, I'll show you.
Just आपने जो अबाउट दिखाया था उसी का होगा तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ दिखाता हूँ, अबाउट दिखाता हूँ. देखिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है कैसे कैलकुलेट है. देखिए मैं दिखाता हूँ.
Okay.
नीचे है.
Sure, म्यूट करना.
See यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 22. यहाँ पर देखिए. The quarterly score is 2. Then your score is 4. Then 4 दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. देखिए कैसे मिला हर साल.
जी सर. Yes. I'm getting it.
ये तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा 22 कैसे आया.
श्योर सर
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
सर
fine.
वन मोर एक क्वेरी थी मेरी.
हाँ बोलिए.
लास्ट मंथ आई बॉट अ निफ्टी स्ट्रेटजी,
हाँ.
मगर ड्यू टू सम रीजन मेरे घर में थोड़ी ट्रेजेडी हुई. दैट्स आई एम नॉट, उस ट्रेडिंग भी मिस हो गया मेरा. हाउ टू यूज इट? तो कैन आई
कॉल दिया था, बाय कॉल दिया था हम लोग ने, लास्ट सेल कॉल दिया था.
हाँ, तो नहीं मुझे वो ट्रेनिंग चाहिए, खाली 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग हो सकता है उस स्ट्रेटेजी के रिगार्डिंग?
हाँ क्यों नहीं हो सकता है, जरूर लीजिए. आपको कौन बेचा था स्ट्रेटेजी?
दीप्यान.
दीपियान से ट्रेनिंग लीजिए ना, क्यों नहीं
हाँ
ले?
ठीक है, मैं उससे मैसेज कर देता हूँ, उसका नंबर है मेरे पास,
आराम
तो
से
मैं
सर, हम
उनके
लोग
टाइमिंग
आपको
से.
हरदम सपोर्ट करने के लिए, मैं भी वीकली आता हूँ, मेरे टीम आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए बैठी है.
जी सर, या आई नो इसके पहले भी मैंने सपोर्ट लिया है, आणि फॉर्चुनेटली वो सब अच्छा चल रहा है सर.
तो काम कैसे होगा, बिना सपोर्ट के तो काम ही नहीं हो सकता है सर.
नहीं सर, अभी टू बी फ्रैंक, जैसे लास्ट टाइम में मैंने बोला है कि वेरी स्ट्रेस फ्री, इतना मेरे लास्ट मंथ इतना ट्रेजेडी गया, मगर मेरे स्टॉक बढ़ रहे थे और देखा भी नहीं उतना मैंने. तो भी आज मैंने देखा, जब आपका मैसेज आया तब आई सॉ माय पोर्टफोलियो, एवरीथिंग झूमिंग. I bought Warren Buffett or one more strategy. It's really performing well, sir.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
शैलेश जी, नायडू बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी.
हेलो.
हाँ, as recommended in my strategy and the score is 10. Should I buy or wait?
या.
Okay, अगर स्ट्रेटजी में है तो जरूर खरीद लीजिएगा.
ठीक, क्योंकि मैंने HDFC बैंक एंड HCL ऑलरेडी ले लिया, वेरी गुड प्रॉफिट में है.
हाँ.
जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर ICICI कंफर्मेशन.
कॉन्फर्म है, अगर मेरे स्ट्रेटजी में दिखा रहा है तो जरूर ले लीजिएगा.
ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू.
So request you that I need complete. How you can take. Okay, next question. Anybody else? Is this helpful? These question and answers. Does it clarify? आपको समझ में आता है? Question
Yes,
answer
yes.
अच्छी है ये चीज?
Yes.
Is it good? Not good? और पूछिए सर, और कोई पूछे? प्रमोद जी हैं, प्रवीण जी, अब्दुल जलील जी, अभिजीत जी, अमित कपूर, अनिल जी भी. अनिल जी, एनी क्वेश्चन? सर मैं अवेलेबल हूँ, बिकॉज जितना मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे अच्छा रहेगा.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Not really, Rajesh. Yeah. Shailesh, sorry.
Okay.
Sir, Shabri here. Can I ask a question?
हाँ पूछिए सर, मैं तो आपके लिए आया हूँ, जरूर.
I know, sir. Thank you very much for conducting this webinar once again.
हाँ.
Yeah, I would like to hear your voice once in a while, and it's very reassuring.
Reassuring.
So this app, I have been talking to Pratik about the app. You have a lot of strong buys.
Right.
How do I search and get just the strong buys? Because I have access to app.
तो
I
बहुत
find
easy
that
है, आप कभी भी कुछ भी स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे तो आपको दिखा देंगे, अभी दिखाते हैं. तो बहुत इजी है. ये आपको प्रतीक सिखाया नहीं क्या?
He did, but every item I may not remember because I'm also getting quite old. So the point is just to when I go through various menus, I get various results.
Please mute. यार सबको म्यूट कर दो एक बार, फिर से रीड कर दो. हाँ, yes, please continue.
Yeah, so what I was trying to say is that these strong buys I cannot get from one source. I have to go through different menus. For example,
very
when I go
simple. एक बार में मिल जाएगा. स्टॉक जनरेट करो.
when I go through sector leaders,
यहाँ पर स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय लिखवाई देना, सब लोगों को बड़ा यहाँ पर स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइस करके लिखवाई देना, क्लिक करेगा सब स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय खोल.
ओके, हाँ ये अच्छा आइडिया, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया.
हाँ कर देना, सिंपल है. ऐसी बहुत लोग की क्वेरी आती है.
So this particular
स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय कर दे, क्लिक करेगा सब स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय आ जाएगा.
सारा कैटेगरी कर देंगे.
In this particular page,
and you can do it. I'll tell you, go to market size. So you get all the companies greater than 1 and then just click apply filter. That's it. And you get all the strong buys and buys instantly.
So if you look, you'll have what how many positive 81 strong buys, right?
हाँ, तो इसमें strong buy कर लीजिए, बस हो गया.
35.
आ गया.
Okay.
All the strong buys, 37 is all available here.
Okay. Because I was getting different results, so that's why I asked. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Okay. Next.
Can I ask the question, sir? Setup open here.
Yes, Mr. Sadagopan, please go ahead.
Yeah. Regarding the Bajaj Finance second quarter, some news was there today. You have heard that? Any problem?
I heard it fell. I don't see news, you know.
I just heard the news. I'm just asking you.
So I'll wait for the quarterly results. I will not react on the news.
Yeah.
So we.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So I just wanted to get a confirmation whether you have any other information. Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Or just one question more. Basically, if I am a long-term investor for more than a year, so do I have to look at resistance and support before I make a purchase decision? Can I go ahead and invest?
No, you first see the quality of the company.
Yes, of course. If I take all your strong buys, for example, and I started investing,
and then you buy at support, it's very good strategy.
So I can buy at spot at any point in time.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next slide. Next question.
So, Sailesh, this is Rohit Isaac here. Can you hear me?
Rohitji, hi.
Hi. So I have a query. I think the last time when we had the webinar, you said there's new features were coming in with the rankings of the stocks, right? 22.
QBS score
Yes.
ranking. Yeah.
No. So I have a query on that. I think that ranking which you showed last time was on Excel, and then you had a view where you could say, in the last 5 years, the 3 years back it was 22, but 2 years back it was only 20. So some kind of a mix and match.
Check it all in the description.
How do I see that? I mean, I missed it. I don't remember, seeing it on the app actually.
It is on the app. Which stock? Tell me any stock.
Okay. No. I'm just wondering. I want a filter across the stocks is what I'm saying. You're getting my point. Not just on one stock. I'm saying. So if I put a filter like, okay, how many stocks showed 22 in the last 2 years, and how many stocks showed 20 in the last 3 years? I want a filter
Not
like
the last 2 years. You only have one last
3 and 5.
latest quarter only, 22.
Okay. So I can just put a filter there and just say by 22. Huh? How do I look at it?
Yeah, so we have not put that filter. Right now it is all individually. Filter will come. It's in the process.
Got it. Okay.
It is not coming. Because इसको filter में डालना है, note करके रख ले. So, okay, it's in the process right now.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Usually you can start seeing it already. So when you will see my strong buy and buys, they will all be very high scores. It is interlinked. All the strong buy and buys are the best companies. Okay, Rohitji?
Clear. That's great. Thank you.
Okay. Next question, please.
Hi, Ankush, can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Yeah, good evening. Sorry for the background noise if you get. What is your view on the banking post third quarter or at the end of third quarter? Because till that time, moratorium and different things will end. So what will be the impact according to you?
For banking, I am a very negative guy on banking for last 5 years. Because if you go, I'll just see the sector leaders. If you go to sector leaders and you see, because can you do for the latest 4-5 years? You have, how many can we go back? So if you see 1 year also, it has never performed. Banking is always be the lowest in the performance. So I really don't, I don't really like, except HDFC Bank, I don't like this sector and invest in this sector right now. Because I have so many other good stocks and other good, better sectors. So I usually don't like to invest in this sector. So I have a 5-year return. We can just put the 5-year return also. 5-year return composite jo dikhate hai na?
Yeah, showing.
Show in the class.
Yeah, showing.
So 5-year return is also the lowest in banking. So I don't like this sector only. I don't invest in this sector. Okay. Now, even if you check each score of the sector, I'll show you. So I have all the stocks. This is the 5-year return of all the sectors. Banking is the lowest. Is the lowest. So why invest in a sector which is always the lowest? When we have good sectors to invest, which is the highest, so why go at number 1? That is a wrong sector to invest in. Okay, now let's go to the stock list. Because go to the sector leaders. Now, if you see the 5-year history, no banks are performing except HDFC Bank. If you see the score 19, then straight away the next company is 14, 13. So if you select good stocks, like if you see pharma, I'll show pharma, see how many stocks are performing. So by understanding the sector leaders, now there are so many companies which have good results. 20, click pharma, yeah.
Yeah,
click pharma. See, 21, IT, pharma 20. But when you go to banks, only HDFC Bank is performing, none of the banks are performing. And if you go to PSU, so by understanding the score, you can understand the 5-year results of the sector. So the 5-year results of the sector is so bad that it is very difficult to perform. And right now with this moratorium, it is not performing 5 years because of GST, because of demonetization. So except HDFC Bank, all other banks are in a very, very bad situation. So I advise, except HDFC Bank, avoid the sector only.
Yeah, got the point. It is a very, very nice knowledge.
Yeah, 5 years, no, it's not coming. There's no performance. There's no sales growth. There's no profit growth. So what is the point of investing in a sector which does not perform? Right? So I don't want to invest in this sector.
Agreed. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Shailesh, good evening.
Good evening.
How do we look at the resistance and support levels for timing of the buying a stock?
So basically, if you are buying a quality stock above 15 or a strong buy and buy, then you just buy at the previous month low. That's the very simple strategy, most simplest. The quality of the stock should be good and buy at the previous month low.
Thank you so much.
So quality and support, that is the best combination. But if you buy a low quality stock, it doesn't work because it may break low and low.
No, it's only about the quality business. Yeah.
Quality business, previous month low is a very good entry. Very, very good entry. Okay. Next question, please. We have so many people who have no questions.
Question. Sir, I have one question. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, this is Praveen here.
Yes, Praveen.
Sir, my question is that all your strategies are doing good. I have taken 3 strategies: the large cap, Warren Buffett, and now the renamed one, low P, which was Singhania strategy.
Right.
Now,
that is because of some legal concerns, we had to remove the name.
Yeah, no issues. As long as the stocks remain good, you write any name, that does not matter.
It doesn't matter, right?
Sir, so my question is that now there are some stocks which have done phenomenally well in these strategies. So can I re-enter and buy a few more and try to average them? Is that a good idea?
When the stock falls, right?
No, even when the stock is going high, like in case of HDFC, for example.
Again, this re-entry strategy sometimes, can be dangerous because the way we have calculated it, our strategies are based on a date-to-date basis. So day we release the strategy, you buy it because next strategy will be released on 20th of November, right, Vikas? Next strategy list will be released on 20th of November. So you buy on 20th of November.
Okay, because there is one stock in the low P strategy that has already delivered 120%. So, and it is just rising every day 5%. So I was wondering that can I invest in such stocks?
Which stock is that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's an amazing stock. It was a low P strategy. Some big guys entered the stock.
Yes, right.
The block deal on 24th September.
Yeah, then it is just zoomed after that.
Yeah, so I think so, See again, this is your personal call. It's very difficult to answer this call.
Yes, correct. Yes.
It's very difficult, It's a great stock. I think so. You can choose to enter, but what happens is sometimes when we become greedy, there's a problem.
Yes, right.
So it's again your choice completely.
Okay. On the other way around, some stocks which fell like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, which are very good QBC rating. So can we re-enter into them
Yes,
at a low level?
Definitely. So when they give a correction of 10-20%, you can enter those stocks.
Okay. Then in that case, sir, the fundamental rule of investing the same amount, then it might just differ. I think
That's again a challenge. So that is why I don't want to commend anything on board. You buy, you just invest the way we have discussed. Buy and just sleep for 3 months. Stop seeing the prices every day falling, high. It is very stressful.
No, if the prices fall, sir, and it's a good QBC rating, I want to buy more. So it's not stressful at all in that case.
You can buy more. I'm telling you to buy more. I'm telling you to buy more. But what happens is then we change, you are going against the strategy because your percentages will change. Many things will change.
Yes.
Right? So then the return might differ.
Okay.
And I've seen that people are not able to beat my returns, what I show in the app. When they change all these new things, they buy some of the stock, they don't buy, some they buy, they use their mind. So when they use their mind, the returns are lower than what the strategy is given. And then they realize, oh my God, I would have just stick to the strategy, I would have made more money. Because it has been tested in a very, very strong environment of artificial intelligence, machine learning. There is a lot of intelligence behind those strategy. So when you will do the 5-day course, then you will realize how much intelligence has been used in those strategies. So whenever you will change the buying price, buying day, buying more, buying less, then you will see that your strategy, your returns will lower down. In the long run, you might be lucky. Some people are lucky, they have good karma, so you might beat us. But rarely we have seen that you will be able to beat our returns.
Yes, I'm seeing that already. I used 90% of my funds to invest in the strategies I bought from you, and 10% in the other stocks which you had given the COVID-free returns and the good stocks. But I find that your 90% has given me plus on my fund return.
Strategies are tested, now the percentages are different. See, please understand, those strategies are tested, right?
Sir, one question, which is a general question on your view with the US elections coming very close, at least till the December end. What is your view? Market up or down, and what?
I'll tell you, for good stocks, the market is always good. So if Joe Biden wins, because he's going to raise the taxes, so the markets may go down. But you have to you have to understand that it just goes down, it will go down temporarily, and again it will start rising.
Okay. But historically, sir, if you have seen
that trading mentality, these are very difficult things. Only God knows about these things. I know that if we buy the right stocks, we will make money. Temporarily, maybe because of election, my product may go down by 5-10%. But again, the market will rise, again it will go up.
But historically, the US elections, if you go to see, irrespective of who wins, the markets have always gone up.
That is what I'm telling you. Temporarily, it might go down for 10-15 days. Yes. Then again, it will go up. So again, it's an opportunity.
So what do you have to say if you see the recent trend in the last 15 plus days, 3 weeks? The trend that I have seen, which is very unusual, not seen before, where the FIIs have continuously gone out and the DIIs have continuously bought. And
where is it? Last 10 days, the FIIs are clearly buying every day. Where are you seeing this data?
No, I had seen it on the net when I checked the FII
Check
outflow.
our app now. We're giving you the chat. FIs are buying every day. Because show him every day. FIs are buying every day.
Okay, okay.
Those data are not tested. That is data. I'm giving you research data. Again, using intelligence and giving you data. See the data. Check data, Vikash.
So my last question, just wanted to.
The FIs, they were 140 lakhs, 143 lakhs counter short.
Yes.
Then they are continuously buying. Today, they have bought 1,40,000 contract from the last 10 days. Check. There, Vikash, idhar. Left. Yeah. 143. No. F2 mein aao. 143 नीचे आओ. See 143 माइनस था, अभी सिर्फ 6000 माइनस है. ये लोग तो खरीद रहे हैं रेगुलरली.
Okay.
10,000 करोड़ का माल खरीद लिया इन्होंने.
Okay. Then I'm seeing the wrong data somewhere. Okay, fine, got it.
These are training I have given everybody. That is why you should do my 5-day program.
So I've done, sir. I always follow
How
that.
did you miss this data? They're clearly buying every day.
No, I saw some other data reference to that I was talking.
But
So
if you see other data, I can't comment on those because that is not my research.
So just one more last general question. Usually the FIIs, usually they, since the US financial year is Jan to December, usually you always see a trend where the FIIs try to exit by the first quarter.
All crap things. Please don't believe on me. It doesn't work.
Okay, fine.
This is absolutely nonsensical. Don't get into this. Everything works only from 4 things. What are the 4 things?
Sales, the net profit, ROI. Yeah, correct.
सब कुछ ये 4 चीज से चलती है. Rest is all drama. I'm telling you.
Yes, okay.
Rest is all drama. You focus on these 4 things, you'll always make money. You go out of these 4 things, you will get so much confused that you will never make money in your life.
Okay, fine.
We focus on 4 things and we always make money. Keep it simple, sir. All these things are nonsensical. Biden will come if the company is having profits. Biden comes, doesn't come, the market will go up. So invest in good companies, the market will go up. Finished.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you.
And whenever I've said, whenever they show the data, I've also shown people when they can book some profits or something. I've given that strategy also because the Nifty parameter, I've given them 2. If there is a sales degrowth, there is a profit degrowth, then you exit. Show the data, Vikash. Nifty data. Focus on the simple things, you'll make money, sir. So I've shown the bad meter. So whenever it goes into sell, I've shown people that is the time you can book some profits. So if during the US election, if this is in sell, you can book some profits that time. I've shown that also. If you want.
This wheel is changing every day, right?
Obviously.
Okay. And so it is a
whenever it is in sell, that is the time you don't buy anything in the stock market.
Okay. Sir, I have one question.
And if you're having big profits in any company, 100-200%, you can do profits. So actually people who will do the 5-day program, these things will become more clearer. Sometimes it's not I'm marketing the program, but that is a reality. Because when you do the program, then you understand the entire philosophy of the app actually. Anybody would like to share about the 5-day program so people are inspired? Our next program is on, we are doing the next program. I'll tell you the dates also. We are doing the next program from 26th October to 30th October. Right? Anybody would like to share about the program? Anybody who did the program, how is it? I'll be very grateful if somebody can share so that people are inspired to learn about the thought process.
Sir, I can say a few words.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So the program is actually a great eye-opener because a lot of noise comes in all the newspaper and also the other media about trading and speculative kind of ways to increase your money. But I have noticed that if you go by what value stocks recommendations are, you make as much money or even more minus all the stress. Just invest, forget it, and you can get a steady source of income also. So it is better to avoid the short-term investments and go with what value stocks recommends, especially Shailesh Ji is a very good mentor, and also his stock selections can just be taken for granted. It's a very good, and that 5 days is packed with a hell of a lot of information, and it actually makes you independent. It teaches you how to fish rather than depending on someone to give you a fish.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Anybody else would like to share?
Sir, can I share my experience? I am Neerav Pajwani over here.
Please, please.
Actually, I would just like to say that I have done this 5-day course and it was a life-changing experience for me. Matlab, I used to see charts, I used to see balance sheet, sab karke dekh liya. But now I know that I have to only do these 5 things and nothing else. So in short, it is the simple thing that you must do and forget everything else.
Keep it simple, sir. Actually, simple ही है. भगवान सब कुछ simple बनाता है, sir. हम लोग humans उसको complicate कर देते हैं. Sales growth होगा, अगर कंपनी का माल बिकेगा, जब भी उसका प्रॉफिट होगा तो ROE होगा तो सेविंग्स करेगा, उसी कंपनी का दाम बढ़ेगा. सर ये एकदम सिंपल बिजनेस जो सड़क में मूड़ी वाला है वो भी यही करता है, बट वी डोंट इम्प्लीमेंट इन अ डे टू डे लाइफ इनटू अ डे टू डे बिजनेसेस. सो अगर अपने वो सिंपल चीज फॉलो करते हैं, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी सिंपल. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Anybody else would like to share?
Shailesh, I will share my experience.
Yes.
So before attending the training program, normally I used to follow the TV channel.
TV channel, okay.
So the moment I bought some stock, immediately that will go down. So I used to sell that one, again go for the some other stock. After this training program, it's like completely I am avoiding the any channel, and in now my portfolio I'm holding only 2 stocks. What you recommended in my strategy. One is the HCL Technology. I'm in very good profit. Second is the HDFC Bank. That is also still I'm now at I think close to 22% in profit. You will be surprised. I closed all my 22 stocks. Yeah, and out of that you gave the very good critic on that day. That is S Bank.
Yeah.
So now I have big relief. I don't have any junk stocks. I don't have any penny stocks, and just I am following only your strategy, and I am not looking anything beyond that point.
And it is intelligent, na? You can validate, why the strategy is there, what is the score, everything is available, na?
Yes. See, my aspiration is the 15%. Now I am getting more than 20%. That is enough for me to earn profits. Rather than looking that stock, this stock, and ultimately losing all the stocks, gaining only one stock. The TV person will tell only that one stock. He will not tell about another 10 stocks where people are losing money.
Right.
Okay, thank you, Shailesh ji.
Thank you.
It's a great learning for me.
Thank you.
Right.
So friends, it's not. Sorry.
Sir, continuation with this percentage business,
Right.
what he has said that 15% and 20%. I just have one question, that which are the strategies 1, 2 or 3 we should buy which will give 20% return in a year?
We have so
Which
many
you will
strategies.
recommend?
See, I'll tell you, seriously, friends, I tell you, all of you should buy at least 3-4 strategies, because all are super intelligent and all have some fantastic stocks. Vikash, show the strategy for you.
So let us write it down.
See, please understand, we have large cap strategies. Large cap strategies, risk reward is, it gives you about 90 to 120, 18 to 20% return a year. And the risk is about 10 to 15%. Mid cap strategies I have in my app, which will give you 25 to 30% return. The risk is 15 to 20%. Small cap will also give you 30, 35% return. The risk is 25%. So you have to see the risk here is given. What is the risk of the strategy? Okay, and what is the return? It's all there. So please see the risk and return and then invest. So if you see large cap, the strategy drawdown will be less.
Do I have to look at CAGR or how it is?
Yeah, if I get CAGR 31%.
And Shailesh, one more point.
Growth is fantastic. It is giving 31% return.
Shailesh,
yes.
One more point. Risk also will come down. If you look at your suppose example in our recommendation, ICICI is there. Still, I didn't buy that ICICI. I'm waiting for the Q2 results. The moment it show hold to buy category, immediately I'm going to buy that stock. Till that time, I'm waiting.
See, when you are buying my strategy, don't use another intelligence. My strategy is already tested. There is some information which the strategy has, according to the historical back testing, that will give money. So don't change. Whenever you are investing on your own, then it's fine. But when you bought my strategy, just invest in those stocks. So it depends, large cap, mid cap, small cap. Did you see there are so many stocks? What is the return? Many returns are 20, 25, 30% returns a year.
Just buy and forget for the 1 year. That is so simple.
Yeah, so if you buy quarterly strategy, you have to change every quarter. If you buy yearly strategy, you change the stocks once a year.
And
okay.
Yeah, and the hold is not a buy, right? It's if you are holding it, then hold it. Otherwise, fresh buy.
Strategy, you buy it. There is no hold in my strategy. When my strategy says buy, you just buy those stocks.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, sir. Next question.
So, with respect to I having already bought Warren Buffett strategy, what about Kenneth Fisher and Benjamin Graham? How different will they be? Will they be?
They are undervalued thing. तो सब stocks बहुत अच्छे हैं, but इसका दाम अभी बढ़ा नहीं है, तो वो भी बहुत अच्छे चलते हैं. इसका 5-year CAGR देखिए कितना powerful है ये सब strategies. 23, 26, 29, it's powerful strategies.
So, sir, with my Warren Buffett, which will you recommend me to buy for the yearly? The Kenneth Fisher, between Kenneth Fisher and Benjamin?
Kenneth Fisher.
Okay.
Kenneth Fisher.
But if I buy now, sir, can I enter in those stocks?
Yes,
now?
yes, they are undervalued only. So अभी भी उसका दाम बहुत बढ़ा नहीं है. अभी भी आप enter कर सकते हो.
Okay.
You can still enter those stocks.
And they have different scripts from the Warren Buffett strategy.
Obviously.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
All stock strategies have different stocks. We have a common strategy. If you want to buy the common strategy, that those at least 3, there are stocks from 3 different strategies. That is there also. The common strategy.
Please explain that, sir. I think you had said that earlier, but okay, you have introduced it now. Okay.
Introduce common guru strategy, but the returns are not so high compared to the direct strategy.
Okay. No, sir. I think it's better to buy the direct only than the common.
Yeah, because when you mix too many things, doesn't guarantee that you get the best results.
Yes. Right.
That is why we have tested it, because there's a huge demand. Give me the common guru strategy. He said, okay, take the common guru strategy where the stocks are common. Buy the common guru strategy. The returns are given here.
I would just like to add, I wanted to say a few things on the 5-day seminar and whatever you had said.
Please.
because since you requested so sincerely, I cannot stay back to give some good suggestions. So the thing is that last 15 years that I've been investing in the stock market, like one of the gentlemen who said that he was going through bad times last few days, and then he invested in your Warren Buffett. So that was the only good thing that he saw, that the stocks were rising on your strategy. And is the same is the thing with me, that your 5-day seminar was so logical and so rational that I really now I even tried your own philosophy when you said you can do two things: either you buy my strategy and just buy the stocks that I have said because it is a tried and tested strategy, or you buy it from my other list which I have given, where I am telling you all the other fundamentals, parameters, QBC and all that. So after having even tried that, I feel the safest bet is to buy your strategy and just stay calm and peaceful and see them either quarterly or after 1 year. So whatever pandemic or calamities come in your life, at least your strategy will go going.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank
Sir,
you.
can you repeat the 5-day dates of October?
26th October to 30th October.
26th to
7.
30th October.
Yeah, 4 to 7, 3 hours every day.
Okay, yeah.
Show it the app, विकास दिखा दे उनको डील्स में वेबसाइट में दिखा दे.
Sir, if you have a time, can you show us how this bank and bank Nifty strategy works?
Bank and bank Nifty strategy. I've shown many times. See, the date is here, 26th to 30th October, 4 to 7.
This is my first webinar, paid webinar, after I have, subscribed your strategy.
After the webinar. So basically, whenever the this will go into buy, because just show the Nifty strategy. You can take a training from 1-to-1 from Prateek. He will show you much in details, but I'll show you. So the data, so whenever this is in buy, when the clearing starts, I hope you understand the clearing, right? Thursday to Thursday, do you know, na? Clearing, it starts on a Friday, ends on a Thursday. Do you know that? Those things.
Yes, sir.
Hello? So do you know those things?
Yes, sir.
So whenever after Thursday, when the new clearing starts and there is 1 lakh contract buy, then we give a buy call. And there is a 1 lakh contract sell, then we give a sell call for 2 to 3 days only. So this is how the strategy is made. Okay. So you can ask Prateek, he can share a video with you. I have a full video where you can see the video. Okay. Then you will be able to understand the entire strategy. Or what is this strategy about?
Okay, how I can get in touch with Prateek?
You just take a training from Prateek. You know Prateek, whom have you bought the strategy from?
Debashish.
Debashish. So you just tell Debashish to explain you
Okay.
this entire thing. How does it work? And then tell him to give you a video where I have this thing on for this strategy.
Okay, fine, sir. I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So one more query, Shailesh. I
Abdul
think
we are already working on it, Abdulji. So we are already working on something called ESG. So we have certain stocks where we will be marking them, it is based on ESG, which follows the Sharia law also. ESG is environment and empathy. So S means social responsibility and G means corporate governance. So when the companies will not do those things, those stocks, we are already working on that. Mr. Abdulji. Yes, next question, please.
yes. So Shailesh, one more query. I think I was just seeing on the screen that you were showing the drawdowns, right, on the various strategies. But when I look at my screen, I see COVID drawdown. You had index drawdown and strategy drawdown. How is it different? I mean, I'm just trying to see.
Was once in 100 years. So if you see 5-year drawdown is very less.
Okay.
But COVID was a once in 100-year scenario. It doesn't happen like it's not a normal situation. So 5 years is a normal situation. So we wanted to show you because everybody said, please show me what happened during COVID.
Okay.
What was the worst scenario happened in COVID? So honestly, we have shown you the worst scenario, but we also see the actual strategy drawdown which happened in the last five years. So COVID is, it's a once in a year scenario. Because वहाँ पर दिलवा दे COVID के बगल में आए. Okay. COVID happens only once in 100 years, so it is recommended to see the strategy drawdown.
Okay.
Does that answer your question, sir?
Yes, it does. So it's just that just for comparison for this year, you've put that in, and
because
and
people
then
wanted that please show me what happened this year. How much did your stock go badly? So we have honestly given what was the worst scenario.
Right. And I was looking at this and seeing that the best performer here was, I think, one of your, I think that Van Valley's, I think his strategy had the lowest drawdown.
Yeah.
Which I was pretty impressed.
On the screen already, yeah. Even during COVID, but if you see the last 5-year return is also very low.
Correct. It's a conservative strategy, and I noticed that in that 5 years, his portfolio did not lose anything. In fact, in the last 5 years, which was very impressive actually in that selection.
Actually, none of the portfolios have lost anything in the last 5 years.
Okay, no. What I meant was it didn't show even a single negative year. I think in some of the other portfolios, it was negative against the index.
But most of the strategies are all positive. So obviously, it's a great strategy.
Absolutely. It clears my doubt. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, so this is a very great strategy. You can read his book. You can buy his book. You can see the
I've
video. I have a book. I show the video in my classes.
Yes,
so
I've already bought
video
it.
by him, Pim Van Vliet. There's a book by him. So it's a very fantastic conservative strategy. So in the I, if you see, there's a book called High Returns from Low Stocks, Low Risk. And there's a video also. So if you, what's your name, sir?
Yeah, this is Rohit Isaac here.
Rohit, so we can send you the Vikash, Rohit ji ko Pim Van Vliet ka video bhej do.
Yeah, can he send me his email ID? Oh, sorry, what?
Just send your email ID in the group.
I'll do that.
I'll send you the video. You can see the video. It's an amazing video of Pim Van Vliet.
Or you can also send me your WhatsApp number to the panelist.
Okay, I think I have sent it to Pratik, but I can send it to you also. No problem. I have been connected with Pratik.
Send it to you right now immediately.
Sure. Okay. No, will do. I'll do that right away.
So you'll get the video. You can enjoy. If you like, you see the person how he thinks. So what I put in the app is a lot of intelligence. The most brilliant people, how they think, how we tested those strategies, and we have given it.
That is available on the net also?
It's available on net also, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, anybody else has any questions? Anybody questions? It's already 5:45. Are these sessions helpful? Are these question answers helpful?
Yes, absolutely. I look forward for the Tuesday, the sessions, which today is happening on Wednesday.
Yeah, Tuesday is for public actually. Wednesday is for paid customers.
Yeah, correct. So these are very.
I don't take questions. Tuesday, it's only on the chat. But here we actually communicate. We can see each other.
I have one question.
Yes, please.
That some of my stocks are, 100% plus. So, but they do. No, yeah.
Loss हो रहा है. अब ये क्या करें? Plus हो रहा है तो मैं क्या करूं?
Yeah, but those are the, like RIL, like HDFC, bank, or these kind of stocks, which like TCS, like Infosys. I'm investing from last maybe 5 years or more. But now, what I should do it? I should book the profit. I should wait, or it's a long term, or how I should look at it.
Question, and I said this is a question which you need to sometimes take care of. You enjoy the journey. That is why Nifty का trend होगा ना थोड़ा सा minus, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा put कर लीजिएगा. But again, after few days, again enter if you get the same stock at a good correction. तो मैं तो यही बोलता हूँ जब निफ्टी का सेल थोड़ा सेल ट्रेंड में आएगा तो बुक कर लीजिएगा.
Okay.
जब तक वो निफ्टी का बाय में है कुछ मत करिए, भूल जाइए.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Only book, this is just a small suggestion, but usually keep good stocks. This is what my recommendation is. Okay.
It's like a bank FD. Just keep it.
Yeah, because
Forget
these are
it.
good stocks. जिस दिन उसका sales को degrowth होगा या profit degrowth होगा, फिर अपने exit कर सकते.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Next question. Next question, please. No.
आपने सब क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे दिया, क्वेश्चन ही नहीं रहे.
And we'll do this every week. Please join every Wednesday. You have any questions, we are there. I think so. If you're there, even if you don't ask, some people don't ask question, but do you learn something? Amit Kapoor ji, Amit Bhojnagar wala, if you not ask these questions, Ankur Shah, Bhaskar Kundu, Dilip Agarwal, do you think that you've not even asked question by listening to other question and answer, you become more and more clearer? Yes, no in the chat. Manor Babu. Yes, no? Okay. So no more questions. Thank you very much, friends. Namaste to everyone. Please join next Wednesday. So we have free webinars. Yeah, somebody has a question?
No, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Can you suggest any small cap strategy? Yes, Vishal ji, we can. Vikash, खोल दो. Vikash की कोई small cap strategy दिखा दो. He wants to buy a small cap strategy. We have two small cap, William O'Neill and this, both are fantastic. So आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं. We have, and mid small में तीन हैं. So आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. So, you can just click here and it will give you which is the best strategies returns. So small cap में आप ये दो ले सकते हैं विशाल जी. Vivek, who asked that question? Vishal K. Vishal K, did you get the answer? You can buy
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will discuss with Dipan regarding this, sir.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. एक बार मैं देख के भी देता हूँ डिटेल्स में.
Yeah. Okay, friends. Thank you. Your personal best stocks. Sir, मैं हरदम चीज मेरा जो strong buys है वही मेरा personal best है ना, जब भी तो strong buys है वो.
मुथूट फाइनेंस.
जो मेरे strong buys हैं, अभी one of my strong buys is Advance Enzyme. Muthoot Finance is one of my favorite. All the strong buys are all very, very good stocks. There are about 40 of them, Amit ji. That is why it is strong buy, क्योंकि मेरे को like करता हूँ, जब भी तो मैं strong buy दिया हूँ. Advance Enzyme है. ऐसे actually stock सोचेंगे ना तो एक problem हो जाएंगे. You have to buy strategies, Mr. Amit Kapoor ji. ये personal से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. No? Yes, you can buy now also, Vivek ji. Definitely you can buy. Okay, Amit ji, if you buy strategy, 7-8 वो सब tested है, मैं सिर्फ 70-80 स्टॉक ही बताता हूँ, और वो सबकी कुछ ना कुछ reasons है ऊपर जाने के लिए, right? So undervalued है, वो बहुत reasons है जाने के लिए, small cap है, so those are very high tested strategies. You please look into it. Okay, friends, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.